In 1959, Tibet was occupied by China. As a result of the occupation, over 1 million Tibetans died and much of the Tibetan cultural heritage was lost. When His Holiness the Dalai Lama escaped Tibet into India, 80,000 Tibetans followed him into exile. Preserving the Tibetan culture became one of their main goals. Therefore, the Tibet Museum was founded in exile by the Central Tibetan Administration in Dharamsala, India, home of His Holiness the Dalai Lama and of a large Tibetan refugee community. It aims to document, preserve, research, exhibit, and educate on Tibet's history, culture, and current situation. It is visited by tens of thousands of Tibetans, Indians, and foreigners every year.
Our museum is divided into 3 subsections. The Permanent Museum, located near His Holiness Temple in Meghalganj, Traveling Exhibition and Photographic Archive section. Museum Permanent Exhibition, A Long Look Homeward, is a fabric of symbols, visuals and narrative that weave together the collective consciousness of Tibetan memory, commemoration and hope. The exhibition takes visitors on a journey depicting the darkness of invasion, destruction and oppression, shedding lights on Tibet's magnificent past and expressing hope for its future. In order to provide visitors a better understanding of the Tibet issue, the Tibet Museum screened documentary film on Tibet, as well as invite experts and hosts talk on Tibet-related issues.
Visitors can learn about Tibet's history and culture through the museum's multimedia installations, including artifact collections, videos, and digitized photo archives. Outside Dharamsala, the museum's traveling exhibitions are enjoyed by audiences throughout India and other countries. The museum's past and current exhibitions are also accessible online on the Tibet Museum's website. More than 40,000 photos, slides, negatives make up the Tibet Museum's unique photo collection, the largest in the world. These rare photographs, both old and new, document Tibet's recent history and are a precious resource for institutions, researchers, authors, and filmmakers. The Tibet Museum is constantly renewing its photo collections through photos contributed by Tibetans and non-Tibetans. This allows the museum to preserve Tibet's past and document its present for the future generations.